Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to transfer files in Google Drive. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all the files that you have in Google Drive. So, as you can see here, guys, under the suggested option, I can see my recently used files. Here I can see all of my folders where I have grouped my files into them, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of the files that I have that aren't grouped in any folder. So yeah, guys, that's how you see your files. Let's go back to the top of the page, and now, guys, you can see that at the left side of the screen, if you look, if right here, you can see multiple options that you can see for managing your files, such as you can see your drive, you can see your shared files, your recent files, your trash, and so on. So what we want to do is first go ahead and find the file that we want to transfer to your folder or somewhere else. So let's go ahead. I'm going to use this file right here, and let's say that I want to transfer this file to another folder, that it isn't in another folder right now. How do I do that, guys? Well, it's very easy. First, go ahead and find the file and then right click on the file. After right clicking, guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options that you can use, such as sharing the file, getting a link, making a shortcut, and so on. What I want to do, guys, is go ahead and click this option right here called Move To. Go ahead, guys, and click on Move To. And after clicking on Move To, guys, now this will open up this new window where you will be able to select where you want to move the file to. I'm going to select one of my folders. You can select if you want to move it to share with you or start or whatever. I'm going to select my drive. And here I'm going to select one of the folders right here, and then I'm going to click this Move button right here. After clicking on Move, now go ahead and click on Move. And now you will see that this is successfully moved to this folder right here where I can see all of my files that I have moved to this folder already. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.